For a moment, picture knowing just what to say to a woman you're interested in. Something that would make her want to. In this video, I'm going to reveal 3 foolproof compliments that will make any woman fall head over heels for you today. I have one of the best tips to share with you. So let's get right into it. Crazy for you. If you had that power in your hands, how would you use it? I can assure you that if you truly knew the kind of compliments women love, and from you, you'd be surprised, and even a little confused. You'd realize that the things women most desire, they'll never actually ask for if a girl is already attracted. Terrific. But if not, I'll show you how to change that. With a few compliments that are true. Master keys. You want to know how to make her fall in love with you. The secret, darling, is that complimenting in a genuine and deep way can truly create a special connection. It's not just about making her like you, but about building a real bond. Are you ready to put this into practice and watch the magic happen? Before we start, subscribe to the channel. If you haven't already, give it a like and hit the notification. What makes a compliment irresistible? Bell, without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Let me share a secret. Compliments number 1 with you. Complimenting someone goes way beyond just saying nice things. It's about making the person feel like you truly see who they are, and there's a right way to do it. A way that hits deep, right in her subconscious, making her want to be around you, craving every bit of your attention. So I decided to share some solid tricks with you. These are the types of compliments that leave women simply charmed and obsessed with you. Trust me, my friend. Once you start using these tips, you'll see just how easy it is to make her fall for you. But first, an important warning. There are some compliments you should never make seriously. Have you noticed how many shy guys get nervous just at the thought of talking to someone they like? A big fear for many men is being misunderstood. With a compliment which could lead to rejection. They think, what if she doesn't get it? Or what if she takes it the wrong way? And just like that, they fall into the dreaded friend zone. Or worse yet, get totally ignored. For example, just complimenting her looks or dropping those drooling emojis on social media. That doesn't cut it, man. If she's not in the same vibe, you'll come across as just another face in the crowd. Now here's the secret. The power of compliments is in the details. It's about noticing the little things she likes. Got it. If she changed up her look, cut her hair, or put on a new shade of lipstick, and you give her a sincere compliment, saying, "You noticed, and it looks good on her." That's your move right there. It's like saying, "Hey, I noticed the little changes you make, and you're looking amazing." And there's more notice when a girl picks her outfit carefully, especially when she's going out with you. That's a clear sign. She's forbidden compliment. Number 1, interested. If she's putting extra thought into her look with new sneakers or a different pair of earrings, she wants to impress you, believe me. She'll be thrilled if you notice those details. Number 2 is just compliments. The point is that in order to really win someone over, you must go above and beyond simple praises and demonstrate that you pay attention to the tiny things that make a big impact. It's powerful, my friend, to compliment someone's personality because it shows that you truly see them when you say something. Beyond appearances is like, I see who you truly are, and that's what attracts me. Just think of how it would feel to compliment her calm demeanor, self-control, or focus. It demonstrates that you value attributes that go beyond appearances, or even her tone of voice, and that's amazing. Additionally, when you compliment the East personality traits, you're demonstrating that you're different from all the other guys out there who tend to focus only on appearance and forget that people are so much more than that. Whether she's more laid back, or prefers to go out and compliment those things, it shows that you're genuinely interested in who she is on the inside, not just in her appearance. Number 3, which is fantastic. When you compliment her behaviors or even the qualities you'd love for her to embody, such as saying, You're so kind. I like your humor and open-mindedness. And what's funny is that when you give her this type of compliment, she starts acting in the same way. It's as though you're sowing a tiny seed in her brain, and she starts acting accordingly. This is a genuine connection. You understand why it's so potent, my buddy, because these compliments are infused with emotion. If you want to stand out from other guys, use these emotional compliments there, a direct route to her heart. And trust me, my friend, once you figure out how to touch her, her emotions, she'll be completely drawn to you and think you're her ideal partner. Women are moved by emotions, and the more you arouse tinged emotions, she'll be completely drawn to you and think you're her ideal partner. Women are moved by emotions, and the more you arouse those feelings, the more interested she will become in you. Number 4, show appreciation for her interests and passions. When you say something like, "I really admire how dedicated you are to what you do," or "It's amazing how passionately you talk about what you love," you go far beyond simple compliments and demonstrate that you value her as a person. By identifying what motivates her, you become someone who genuinely cares about her as a person, and not just as an object of desire. Additionally, by valuing her passions, you demonstrate a genuine interest in what matters to her, forging a deeper connection. This kind of praise helps her feel heard and inspired to talk more about herself, which opens the door for meaningful talks. The more she shares, the more emotionally you two connect, which is crucial for enhancing your relationship. 5th, commend her for her accomplishments and progress, recognizing her personal growth. Forbidden compliment number 2, and accomplishments. No matter how small, with a comment like, "I really admire how you're always pushing to be better," or "You're doing so well with this," it's inspiring, can be a powerful way to establish a connection and give her a sense of support and value. This type of compliment is meaningful because it demonstrates that you notice her efforts, which are often overlooked. Additionally, she will feel safe and valued by you, which deepens your relationship even more. By praising her achievements, no matter how minor, you're boosting her self-esteem and demonstrating your support for her during her journey of personal development. This fosters a supportive environment where she knows you believe in her abilities and is inspired to keep growing because she knows she has your undying support. Thank you for watching the video until the end. I hope you have found this video enjoyable and, more importantly, helpful. If so, please help us out by liking and subscribing to our channel. I hope to see you in the next video.